Get ready, going green.
Okay, so we're back. Suzuka this time in GT4s. I'm at the back. It's a big field, and I've just had a bit of cat drama, so I had to clear a cat out of the room, which means I dropped right to the back. But I'm back here now.
Green, green, green.
Okay, we're green. Okay, we've got the jump on this guy then. I'm not waiting for him to cross the line. So let's see how we get on. I love Suzuka. It's a great track. Lots of trail braking, so I'm practicing my trail braking here. Let's just see if I can cling on to the back of the pack. That'll be good. Need the wheels, the tyres to come up to temp though. Right, it's this guy behind's quick, isn't he? Relative to me. Caught him napping at the start, but he's quick now. Bloody hell.
Left side. Stay on the right.
Maybe the Porsche isn't the right car to be in then.
Clear on the left.
Let him go. Maybe he's doing a last to first challenge, not sure. He seems pretty quick to me. Let's see what we can do up here. Get these tyres warm. I do like the Porsche. I'm not sure it's the best car for around here. Not sure which is. Difficult bit here. Important not to go off track. And we've got the fast straight. And then this left-hand kink, I'm having to come down to fifth. I'm finding I get into sixth and then I come down to fifth. I don't know what it's going to be like on the first lap. Just like a stab of brake. I had to do a little bit more that time. And second through here. I'm sort of keeping with them. Still I can hope for at the moment, I think, till I get better. Only did a few laps of practice. Still messing around with the rig, getting things sorted, doing stuff around the house. I go back to work next week, so not looking forward to that. Really enjoying my new home. Went for a lovely walk this morning, 45 minutes. Beautiful countryside, lovely and quiet. I'm sort of out in the sticks now, in Herefordshire, which is lovely. It's very peaceful. Not sure how I feel about going back to the hustle and bustle of where I work.
There's an incident ahead.
First incident. Somebody off, is it? Okay. Well, we're still going. We've managed to maintain our position of last. We're not dead. Hey, bit of an off track there. Didn't quite get that turn in right. We're going quicker anyway. It's like a 2:10 is a decent lap. I don't think I'm going to get to the 2:10s, but I think I might get a couple of places here. Oh, my 22nd. Oh, concentrate, David. Okay, still there. See if we do a decent lap this time. This is where I'm not sure. Still not enough. Another off track. It's not what I wanted. Okay, let's see if we can make a move then this lap. It's only a 15-minute race.
5, 7.
So we're going a bit quicker, but not that much. Let's see if we can do something then about this McLaren.
Ten minutes to go.
He's a bit quicker than me through there, isn't he? He's gone a bit wide. See if I can do this bit a bit better than last time. Bit better.
You got a slow car on the left. Go
Okay.
right.
Somebody off, hello? Yeah, somebody spun off. Is that AMG, is it? No, still there. We're right with them, aren't we? Just not making any progress here. Braking on the grass, that's never a good idea. Okay, still with them. Still maintaining our last place. So the leaders look doing a 210 flat pretty much. It's better than we can do. We are in a bit of traffic.
There's an incident ahead. You got a slow car on the left. Car stop on the left.
Okay, lucky there. Lost us a lot of time.
No damage. Car looks clean.
Okay, car's okay, good.
13.9.
Still there.
9.
What are we, 20th now?
There's an incident ahead.
Another incident. A nice little group here to battle with, haven't we? It's coming up a bit now, which makes it a bit more enjoyable. Get through there almost flat out. Bit of a lift. Close now. Can't do anything about them. 19th, so we're not last anyway. We started 23rd, so I think a couple of people must have gone out. Somebody off there. 18th. It's getting better. My fan on. Okay, he's had an off track, I think.
The car in P1 just set the fastest lap. 10.065.
Don't get much of a slipstream effect with these cars.
12.712.
Although people are hunting for the slipstream. Different lines going on through there, aren't there? Porsche seems to be holding everyone up through this section. Maybe it's not the best section for the Porsche. I'm keeping off these inside curbs because I did find it really threw me off, sort of threw me wide, so that feels better to go over the curb when you're sort of cutting the corner. It didn't help me.
Right side. Still there, hold your line. Clear.
Alright, with this McLaren, aren't we? I wonder if we can slip up its inside up here. No. Well, the power nice and early though. Now have we got a chance? We're no quicker, are we? Blimey. Brake a lot there. Got back a little bit there. Can't seem to do anything yet.
13 points.
I need to get better at overtaking, I think. 'Cause I'm not making any moves here. Oh, much better run through there, but can I do anything with it? No. Well, I have to say, this is very enjoyable. I don't know what it's like to watch. It's very enjoyable to drive. Feels like I'm properly racing. Car coming up behind. That Porsche's got away a little bit because the BMs were battling. Another good exit. Not good enough. Make him think.
The leader just did a 10.87. White flag this time. Right side. Keep to the left.
Okay.
Keep to the left.
Have I got him?
0.586. Just set your fastest lap of the session. Stay on.
No, I haven't.
Clear on the right.
I have. He gave it to me, thank you. See if I can close in on these BMs.
I'm sorry, mate. I'll let you pass for the left.
Yeah, getting away through that section. Can I do anything about these BMs? Probably not. It's probably a bit late now. All it takes is one mistake. We are closing in. Definitely closing in. Almost within slipstream range.
You're pulling away from the car behind. The gap is 1.2 seconds.
No, all good, man. I just wasn't expecting a late dive, and by the time I turned in, it was too late.
Nah, mate. It
Okay.
was not my fault. Just took it in the last lap. I'm so sorry for ruining your race.
So, I don't think so. But it could be a decent lap anyway.
This racing, man.
Bit quicker through that. That'll be my best lap anyway, so happy with that. Good race, enjoyed that.
Stop on the right.
Have we finished?
Checkered flag, checkered
Yes, we
flag.
finished. Well,
Better schedule some testing. We'll get them next time.
yeah. I enjoyed that though. I do like the GT4. I'm wondering whether I do this series instead of the Mazda that I have been doing. Anyway, yeah, enjoyed that. Well, yeah, let's have a look at those incidents. Okay then, so here's the start. So I don't know why he was braking and waiting because he was pretty quick, that car. But anyway, we got the jump on him and went after the others. So let's see what happened. So what have we got here? So there's somebody blinking there by the looks of it. Is this gonna... Oh dear. Oh dear. I mean, that's... Yeah, it's a typical place to get hit, isn't it, that? And here, just a bit of side-by-side action. Oh, that was unlucky. Tiny little touch. There's us going through. Tiny little touch. And what have we got? Is someone going to outbrake themselves? Oh, blimey. That was never going to work. That's a hell of a dive. Same car again. Oh, dear. Oh, dear. Oh, nice looking BM. Oh, on the curbs. That's unusual. Okay, now what? On the curb, just going to go wide. Yeah, it's a bit of a wide moment. And, oh, that wasn't really on, was it? Unlucky. And this is a... Well, he should have given him room, I think. I think that's reasonable. He still kept trying to turn into him, didn't he? I think that was a reasonable move, that one. Okay, well, yeah, interesting. Some good moves. Not too much in the way of crashes there. So let's have a look at the results. Okay, so here we go then. So that was top split out of 3. And I lost a little bit of Sata rating, lost a little bit of I rating, but had good fun. So best lap for 210 for the leader, 210, 210, 210. So I mean, they're almost 211s, but 210s is where it's at. I'm all the way down here. So, but I wasn't last. So 23, 6 places above, a 212.1. So actually only 2 seconds away from sort of the really fast guys and only a second away from top 10. So yeah, not too bad. Enjoyed that. Anyway, I'm thinking, maybe I should do this championship next season. So let me know if you think I should. I do quite enjoy driving it. 15-minute races, so they're quite good fun. But yeah, let me know what you think. Anyway, if you want to see that, you want to see some more, and do stick around, hit that like, hit subscribe, tell your friends, become a member, and maybe I'll see you next time at the track.